A skyscraper is a very tall, high-rise building, usually more than 152 meters or 500 feet in height. Most skyscrapers are built in urban areas such as cities, and they are very common in the downtown or central business district areas of many large cities such as New York, Chicago, London, Paris, Sydney, Beijing, Berlin, Toronto, Moscow, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. Originally, the word skyscraper meant a tall sail on a sailing ship, but over time the word's meaning has changed, and today it means a tall building. Until the 19th century, buildings taller than 6 stories tall were not common. Tall buildings made of weak materials would fall down. In addition, people did not like walking up many steps, and running water could only be brought up to 50 feet or 15 meters high. Better technology helped make skyscrapers more common. Stronger building materials such as steel and reinforced concrete were developed, so stronger buildings could be made. Water pumps brought water up to heights above 50 feet. The first building to be considered a skyscraper, the Home Insurance Building, was built in Chicago, Illinois, in the United States, and was designed by William LeBaron Jenney. The building, 10 stories high, was built from 1884 to 1885. It was destroyed in 1931 because they wanted to build another building in its previous place. In the same year, the Home Insurance Building was destroyed. One of the oldest and most famous skyscrapers, the Empire State Building, opened in New York City. Later, in the 20th century, people started building skyscrapers in cities that did not have many tall buildings in the past. In 1973, the then called Sears Tower in Chicago was finished and became the world's tallest building up until the late 1990s. It took the record from the World Trade Center in New York City, which opened in 1970, but was destroyed in the September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks. Many taller buildings have been built since then, including Taipei 101 in Taipei. This building was the world's tallest from 2004 until 2008, when the Burj Khalifa in Dubai opened. At the time of this video, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building and man-made structure ever made, but the Jeddah Tower in Jeddah, which is still being built, will be even taller.